Hello, and how do you do? We have yet another problem here. This is from WAEC 1995. A capacitor of capacitance 25 microfarad is connected to an AC power source of frequency 200 all over pi hertz. Calculate the reactance of the capacitor. Calculate the reactance of the capacitor. When we are to solve, do not forget that capacitive reactance is the same thing as the inverse of omega c, or you can simply say as x sub c is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi fc. All right, so according to the question, we've been given our capacitance as 25 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 farads. Do not forget that the unit of capacitance is a farad. Okay, what else have we been given? We'll be given the frequency. The frequency is F is simply 200 divided by pi hertz. All right, so if we put it there to find our capacitance, or the capacitance of this the reactance of this capacitor, please, we are going to have that our x sub c is equal to 1 divided by 2 times pi times 200 divided by pi multiplied by our capacitance, which is 25 times 10 raised to power negative 6. The whole thing is in ohms because that is the unit of reactance. So our x sub c is going to be, now I want us to take this upwards. This is going to give us 10 raised to the power of 6 divided by what's going to be next. Of course, this pi will cancel this pi. Okay, so then you're going to have 2 times 200. That should give us a 400 multiplied by 25. Okay, now if you evaluate this using your calculator and solve well, of course from here you can notice that 4 times 25 will give you 100. So in this denominator we should have 10,000. So this is going to give us 10 raised to the power 6 all over 10 raised to the power 4. Of course your answer will be 100 ohms. All right, I welcome you to look for more of our videos. Just search through the playlist and you surely get the value for your time. Don't forget to hit the subscription button if you like what you're seeing, and give us a thumbs up and share it to someone you know will need this. And I'll see you in the next question. If you have a question, if you have a problem, you can send us an email through the email flashing through your screen right now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.